Hey everybody, welcome back to Faraday Research. It's Sunday afternoon and had a busy weekend with the family and stuff. So this afternoon I was doing some coil winding and I was literally ripping my hair out. So as a result, almost having a complete nervous breakdown, I decided to make a coil winding machine. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, bottom right hand corner, and don't forget in the description I got my Patreon, I got my PayPal donate, and yeah, these videos are to help you guys with your projects and get you guys up and running and building coils better and easier. So yeah, as a result of my complete meltdown this morning trying to wind coils, I decided to throw together a coil winding machine. So all the parts, pretty much, well, the only real part here is the motor, which I got off of Amazon. That was about 35 bucks. And I got the threaded rod, 5/8 threaded rod. And from one of my old projects, I actually had a seated bearing set up, as you can see right there. So I installed it and used it for my coil winding machine. And I just got flexible rubber tubing there, taped it in the middle to make it a little bit more rigid, couple clamps, and boom, you got a perfect coil winding machine. So the only thing left I have to get for this is a motor controller, so I can hook this up there. I'll even have a foot pedal so I can have it on the floor, kind of like a sewing machine type setup. And yeah, it's amazing what you can do with scrap stuff sitting around. So that's it right there. And it's adjustable, so I could always bring this back further, get a bigger rod, slap it on, and I could do bigger coils. Now, if I wanted to go bigger diameter, this will handle about 2-inch diameter coils. So if I wanted to go bigger, I would just get a block of wood, get two pieces, raise this guy up, and then raise the motor up, screw it all down, and there you go. So yeah, it's amazing what you can do with scrap stuff sitting around. So there you go, perfectly made coil winding machine. So yeah, it's some, I figured, you know what, now time is better as any. Just go and get it done and build it. So yeah, I had this board sitting around. I had a lot of threaded rod kicking around, some 5/8 bolts, and screwed it down to the board. It was a good thing I had this, so I didn't even have to make the assembly. But see, I got two of them here, so if I decide to go with a way longer rod, make it more sturdy, I can extend it out through this one as well. And that creates a little bit more stability so it doesn't wobble. But yeah, cool little project. Hope you guys got something out of this, some ideas. So I'll get a PWM motor controller, put it here. I'll attach a foot pedal control so I can put that on the floor. And yeah, there you go. Your DIY coil winding machine. So I'll be doing more stuff tonight, some more experiments. I got some more hardware coming in, hopefully soon. And yeah, any questions, comments, any ideas, leave it below. Give me a thumbs up for the video, and we'll see everybody soon. Take care for now.